Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to bulk delete many videos at the same time on a Mac computer for your YouTube account. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, a YouTube account, and some videos that you have uploaded to the account itself, which we may delete now. Let's now turn the attention to the Mac computer. Go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to YouTube Studio, make sure you are signed into the account, and now navigate to the left hand side navigation menu, go to Content, filter to videos that may be on private, go to Visibility, go to Private, Apply, and we have 3 videos that were uploaded as a test just for the end screen to test the outcome and the dimensions that were required to create the end screen template for every video itself. And now in this tutorial, let's now bulk delete 3 videos that we no longer require. So now what we can do after we filter to private, go to the left top corner of the screen within channel content, click on select all, and as we can see 3 videos have been selected. Now we can go to edit, playlist, or we can go to more actions, delete forever. Always do keep this at the back of your mind that any video deleted from your channel will be deleted forever, which is why it is very important to back up all the original content to your computer or external hard drive or maybe cloud storage, so it is then available to obtain after we delete or for any other reason you have. So we can add delete forever. As reiterated before, I understand that deleting is permanent and cannot be undone unless you delete forever. So these 3 videos that were used just for the purpose of the previous tutorial are now being deleted. We can leave the screen while we wait. The videos will be deleted. And so now the videos have been deleted. Let's now go back to all the content. And as we can see, those private videos have now been deleted via the bulk delete option. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.